I have a dream that one day on the red hills of Georgia, the sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners will be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood. I have a dream.
Ended early Sunday morning with the motorist, a black male, being brutally beaten and kicked by Los Angeles police officers. A beating that continued even as the man appeared to offer no resistance.
And they followed the law.
Were found not guilty on all but one count.
We have to show Los Angeles that we are resilient. The people have suffered not only civil rights, but the right to be a...
Pulling the driver out, they're beating the driver. Oh my
They're coalescing there to discuss the issue.
Jody Baskerville, can you hear me?
You must understand that our system of justice provides for the peaceful, orderly means of addressing this frustration. We must respect the process of law, whether or not we agree with the outcome. There's a difference between frustration with the law and direct assaults upon our legal system. In a civilized society, there can be no excuse for the murder, arson, theft, and vandalism that have terrorized the law-abiding citizens of Los Angeles.
Keith, we can report history. Barack Obama is projected to be the next president of the United States of America. NBC News calling for the Democratic candidate. The states of California, 55 electoral votes.
Election alert. Pennsylvania goes to Donald Trump. Donald Trump is the President of the United States.
There are people in town, and crazy people in town.